There comes a time when we hit a certain crowd, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying on this time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go home, pretending day by day, just someone, somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love it's all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There are some choices from making. We're saving our lives. Used to make a better day, just you and me. Well, stand in your heart, so they know that someone cares, and our lives will be strong and free. It's gonna show us by generation to brand, and so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children, we are the